Remove the clear acrylic cover from the top of the pump. Insert a 5mm Allen key into the bolt in the center motor shaft and manually spin the motor. The motor should spin 360 degrees with no resistance. Now I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like when you have a fluid end bottoming out and installed too close onto the platform. As you can see, I'm unable to rotate past this fluid end. To resolve, I will loosen the brass lock nut and manually rotate the fluid end off of the yoke one full turn at a time. Continue to do one full turn until you can resolve the issue and rotate past that fluid end and a full 360 degrees. Tighten the brass lock nut down to secure the fluid end and complete one last rotation. A little troubleshooting tip is that if 2 of your 3 motor phase wires are touching each other or a metal table, you will not be able to do a manual rotation. With them not touching, you can see I can complete the manual rotation just fine. But in the event they are touching a metal table or each other, the motor is unable to spin. This does not indicate a fluid end is installed incorrectly. Something to be aware of is you also do not want your fluid end installed too far off the platform. If installed too far out, it will damage the packing and cause chemical leaks. To check this, spin the motor to align the apex of the cam in line with the fluid end of interest. Back the lock nut off and turn the fluid end in further onto the green yoke until the plunger bottoms out on the inside of the fluid end. Back the fluid end off one turn at a time, checking that the arrow on the side of the fluid end body is pointing up. Try completing a manual rotation. In this case, I can manually rotate past the fluid end of interest, indicating a perfect position. Tighten the brass lock nut to secure the position. Please note that we have had multiple versions of the yoke, but this is the most current design. Regardless of style, follow the steps for a manual rotation to ensure the fluid ends are installed correctly. In this case, we show 0 to 1 threads, which is the manufacturer recommendation, but consult your manual for more information.